you have probably heard about Canva, but now it just got better. Up until now, you've got like these templates, you can change the colors, filters, whatever, but now it just got powered up with AI, just with everything else. Now, today AI, well, it's the future. It's like in everything. You've heard about ChatGPT, Bing AI. These tools can help us, you know. A lot of people are just like afraid of them. Like, oh my God, they're going to take our jobs away. We're not be going to left with anything at all. But that's not true, you know, because these can just speed up the process of your own work. So let's say, for example, you write a script and you have to go and do a lot of research. You have to just go and do extensive research on Google on a certain topic. But to cut down that time on the research, you can use, for example, just Bing, and it will just search the internet. That's something that ChatGPT can't do, unfortunately. But for example, it will just use the internet source to give you an outline for it. Of course, you will have to use your own creativity. You will have to write. You will have to set up everything. You can't just copy and paste. That's not how it works. But it will cut down the time needed for your projects. But I'm going on a rant now. Let's just stick to Canva. What Canva got is free online AI image generator. Now, it has been built inside of Canva itself, okay? And it is just your usual text to image prompt. You just write a prompt, for example, like this one, panda riding a bike through a city with depth of field, and you get something like this, right? Maybe you have heard about that Mid-Journey thing. It's a good thing, but you have to pay for it. Of course, you will get better designs than with Canva. On Canva, you also have to pay if you want to get this like pro version, but everything you invest is going to come back to you eventually. So if you are a serious person about your, I don't know, freelancing career or something like that, you would never pass out on a good investment, okay? Sometimes the more you invest, the more you can earn. I mean, that's like the majority of times, but I don't know. It all depends on you. But this AI image generator with Canva, it is not the only thing that's new. Let me just show you this. If you just head over to Canva and you have your usual design, and for example, you want to delete just these like tracks at the top. So what you can do, you can click on the picture and then you can click on the edit photo. And then you have these three new tools, which are AI powered. So you have background remover, we know what that is, and magic eraser. Now this is a really good thing. What this is going to allow you to do is to just delete a certain portion of the picture. So let's say you have downloaded certain picture from the internet, right? And you just don't like a bit of it, or you just wanted to put a little bit of a text underneath. So you will just click on it, and let's say you will just draw around the edges of what you want to remove. So it's a really handy thing. It's a really good thing to have. Now, there is also Magic Edit if you click on Edit Photo, and this is like Magic Edit, and it has like a lot of these features. I'm not going to go through them because it would take like 10 minutes to go through all of those, but it's one more AI power tool, which is really good, okay? It can do a lot, and it can help you and your designs. But wait, let's stop for a minute. What about making money with these? How can we make money with these if you aren't already doing something with Canva and already just making money and you just want to utilize AI as well? What if you are just a beginner and you like Canva, you like designing, you like playing with this, and you want to earn some money on the side? Well, first option, just take a look at this. Canva Templates is a thing on Etsy, and you can see that a lot of people are searching for these things. So Canva Templates Instagram, Canva Templates Business, for teachers, real estate, and you can see the prices for these. Some of these are like cheap, like $1.88, but some of these are really expensive, $23 for some Canva templates. And you know what is good about these? Well, the best thing about these is that you make the template once, okay? And you just post it there. You just let it out there in the marketplace. And you never know how many of those are going to sell, you know, because it's a digital download. You don't have to stock these in your own, I don't know, warehouse, garage. It's a digital download. and you never know how many people are gonna need that one. I can, for example, show you one example. So I don't know, let's just click on the first one. This one is selling for $6. Okay, so you would think that it's not expensive, you can't make much money on it. But just take a look at this, 21,000 sales. 21,000 sales for this product. It's a digital download. When I buy it, when I add to my cart, I pay $6. I just download this one. I don't wait for shipment, and has been sold for 21,000 times. Now that's just crazy amount of money. If I just take $6 times 21,000 sales, that's $126,000. Now that's just crazy amount of money. Now, if you were thinking like about passive income in your life ever, this is your thing. What you can do is you can create a template with Canva and then just firstly post them on Etsy.com. And let's be honest, if all of these people are doing it, you can do it as well. Because what do they got that you don't have? I mean, everyone got access to Canva, right? So all of these people, they just do the same thing. And you can do it as well. But my suggestion at first, just lower the price down until you get a lot of these like reviews, and that's going to help you to sell a lot more. Okay, so just lower the price, put it like for, I don't know, $3, $4. Check out the competition, see what's what, and then just get a lot of these reviews. The more reviews you get, the more sales are going to happen. Because let's just put ourselves into customers' shoes. Which one of these you are going to buy? Okay. If you, for example, like these and these, which are like similar ones, which one of these are you going to take? Well, you are going to see the ratings. This one has 100 of these, and this one has 62. So this goes without saying. Pretty much self-explanatory, right? And trust me, on Etsy.com, well, there's a lot of traffic. 400 million total visits each month, and it's happening almost each month. It is 480 last month, so it is a really good source. But of course, it'll depend on you. If you just want to work for it, if you just want to invest your time into making these, if you just want to try, you can fail, but you have to try. If you don't try, you will most certainly not going to make any money, right? So a lot of these people tried and they made it, okay? And of course, you can make many of these. You don't have to like put out one template and then just, I don't know, quit. You have to be dedicated, whatever you work, whether it is, I don't know, fixing cars or just making Canva templates. Now, another thing that you can do for yourself is that you can create YouTube thumbnails, because all of the YouTubers, myself included, we just hire someone else to make the thumbnails, okay? Because we just don't have enough time for it. So, for example, we can pay $5 for one thumbnail, and you can just try to imagine how many of those people are in need for that. Just take a look at Fiverr, for example. You can just type in YouTube thumbnails, and you will find a lot of these people that are doing that. There is 19,000 services available on Fiverr. And for example, just take a look at this guy. If I go inside, you can see $5 for one thumbnail, and he has already sold 1.4 thousand. So you can see it worked out for this guy because he was consistent, he was dedicated. He worked himself out through the times which were hard for him, and then he just came out. And trust me, if you want to be a freelancer, now is the time to start, because it's a wonderful world out there to be like in this gig economy, to work for yourself. Of course, the more you work, the more money you will get and the less time you will have, but it all depends on you. What do you want to achieve? Okay, do you want to go with the rest of your life working for someone else? Or you just want to start something on your own and, I don't know, you set up your goal. For example, when I was just starting out, I was just like, okay, let me just make $500 this month. Okay, it's not a lot, but let's just go with it. Let's see what happens. And then you just go and you slowly, gradually, incrementally just go and you grow that. Okay, next month it's going to be $600. The month after that, it's going to be $700. And you slowly build something. And trust me, you feel so proud of yourself once you get to a certain point. It's a really, really good business. So if you have any passion for designing, if you just like Canva or something like that, just go and grab that chance, okay? Listen to that little inner voice of your own, because it is right. That voice is right. If they think that you can do it, you can do it. Just go and take that action. I'll catch you.